Hey, cloud enthusiasts! Welcome back to Cloud Nuvo. Today, we're diving deep into the blue skies of Azure to unravel the mystery behind resource groups. Think of this bracket as a big, friendly hug around your Azure resources. This hug, it's what we call a resource group. But first things first, what is a resource group? Well, simply put, it's a logical grouping of resources. Think of it like a folder on your computer where you store related files. Just like how you'd store photos, music, and documents in one folder, in Azure, you can group related resources like virtual machines, databases, and networks under one resource group. Here's where it gets cool: the life cycle. If you delete a resource group, every single resource inside it gets deleted too. It's like emptying a whole folder in one go. But be super careful with this power. It's convenient, but make sure you're not deleting something you might need later. Now, if you're thinking of security, Azure's got you covered. With resource groups, you can apply role-based access control, also known as RBAC. This means you can limit access to your resources. Maybe Jane from accounting doesn't need to access your app's database, right? With RBAC, you decide who gets in. Lastly, for all the number crunchers out there, resource groups are your best friend when it comes to billing. Want to know how much your app is costing you? Simply look at the resource group's usage in the billing reports. It's all neat, organized, and ready for you to analyze. To sum it all up, resource groups in Azure are like folders for your cloud resources. They offer a unified lifecycle, security through RBAC, and simplified billing. Handy, right? So there you have it, cloud enthusiasts, a beginner's guide to resource groups in Azure. Coming up next, Azure subscriptions. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more cloud magic. Until next time, keep your head in the clouds.